Damn it!
Got it?
I'm getting there. Stop sinking! This is gonna look really dramatic. Dun, 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 dun. Flippin' heck, Abimelech. Okay, go, 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 go. Don't touch anything.
Where's that dog?
Teddy, come on here.
You ready?
Kick it!
Oh, Sadie.
Out the way. Oh, I hit something.
Oh, rubbish.
What a shot! What a shot!
This is out.
Another shot. Oh, I hit the tank. It didn't move.
Your tank's destroyed. I think I've won.
I've hit your tank twice.
This is surrounded by your wounded soldiers.
What do you mean you got two on the floor? That tank's impenetrable. There goes your fuel depot. That was your own soldier.
No, it wasn't. That was your green one. My soldier survived behind.
I'm so sick of shooting that tank. Who would have thought air pellets wouldn't punch your tank's armour?
It's amazing, isn't it?
Come on! What?
Bye bye tank.
You're just killing your own men.
Well, I've won.
That was my own guy.
Right, it's over.
No, I ain't.
Yeah, it's over.
I've got stuff to shoot.
Well, yeah, you're out. It's...
I've got stuff to shoot. Yeah, you're out.
My guys have survived.
I'm not with you, Colonel Gaddafi. Keep shooting them.
I'm finished off. There's nothing there.
I know you keep shooting people.
Is it clear?
Clear. I've got fuel depots to blow up. See, I'm immense at shooting cans. That was a pup round
It was, wasn't it?
for me.
So you're not worth even recording.